Okay, welcome everybody. Another week of M.A.S.K. They weren't really designed to be put on motorcycles, it doesn't appear. But this was the Venom motorcycle, sort of the response to the Condor. Had a focus on him. Maybe. Or maybe not. Maybe y'all just don't get to see his face. Oh. Come on. Focus on everything but him. There he goes. Sly Rax with the stiletto mask. Evidently this one would shoot a near limitless stream of small barbed spikes that it could create from thin air, according to the M.A.S.K. Wikipedia version of M.A.S.K. page. At his motorcycle, very fine purple and bright, high priority, high visibility stickers on it. And as you saw, these little guys were not really, don't really have the posability to ride the motorcycles, especially not this one. Just sort of force it on there, and he's nowhere near the handlebars. It sort of doesn't look bad, too bad from the side, but like I say, he's nowhere near where he needs to be to actually ride it. But of course, the big keep your mask on. That lets you breathe. This was a submarine, one-man submersible submarine on the side. Got notches on the bottom corner there. That's sort of there. Well, if I didn't put it in crooked, it would lock down to keep the stuff in place, the canopy in place. Got the two buttons back here, so the little button, I've been playing around with it a little bit already, will activate the fins and the guns, and the big one will knock the windshield off and launch the submarine. Well, it didn't that time. But yes, spring-loaded catapult system. I did it. Got the little switch to do that one. The big one, let's go with the big thing. And evidently this is supposed to be a weapon down here too, for use with the motorcycle. I'm hitting something in there. I don't see what. There's something. That motorcycle wheel is rubbing against something. Well, it's not like you ever actually used it as a motorcycle anyway. But there's the back end of his submarine with the propulsion system. Like I say, the wings popped out on the fins, I guess. Popped out on the sides. You got to have the advertise that you're with the super secret spy organization or anti-spy organization. The guns spring out from the front as well too with that. He was, from what I remember from the cartoon, he was one of the main bad guys. It was him and the jackhammer, and of course Miles Mayhem with the airplane in there. But let's see. But like I say, that was old Sly Rax and the Piranha. Got a pretty good selection coming up this week. I'm excited about a couple of them, and one that I remember playing with, but I don't remember the toy. It's one of those things I think I saw it, I was like, what's that? And then that's a M.A.S.K. But anyway, we'll get to that later this week. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Got plenty more to go where this came from. Y'all have a good one.